What's going on, guys? In this video I'll show you some methods to increase the FPS for games in low-end PC. I'm using Windows 10 operating system. If you don't know, just right click on your PC and then go into the properties. You will get all information according to your operating system and architecture that you are using. Now the first step is here. You need to clear some prefetch and temporary files. That is important for further steps. So just press Windows plus R button and just type first temp, then temp percentage, and also apply the prefetch command in run, and just open 3 folders, then select all, Control plus A, and then Shift plus delete. So you can try both steps. If you don't like the Shift plus delete, then you can select all and then delete, and then you can clear your recycle bin. That's it. Now the second step is most important for your RAM. You can also increase the free memory in your RAM. For that you need to download the file called RAM map. Link is given below in the description. Just go ahead, check it out. It's official from Microsoft store, Microsoft website. You can just download it, and then after just open your task manager and go into the open resource monitor. Now just select the RAM called memory, select it, and you can see on the bottom the hardware in use, modified, and standby RAM sections. These are the actually RAM sections where everything work. Hardware reserve, you can't change this memory, and in use you can reduce it, and also the modified storage you can just remove that memory as well, and also clear the standby memory to get up a free space in RAM. So just clearing the usage RAM, just click on the go into the RAM map and then click on the empty, then empty working sets, and it will clear it, then modified, and now you can clear the standby memory as well. Just click there and empty standby sets. It will clear and free up your maximum RAM for your better performance in game. You will not face any kind of stutter after applying these settings. But if you do some other works, once again like other works, Photoshop or some other programs, then it will again increase. You need to clear that for gaming purpose. Now the last step is here, that is important for better performance. You just need to go into the privacy, and in privacy you need to just uncheck all these options. In general tab, just uncheck all these options, and then scroll down from left side and find the background applications. Just select it. By default it's turned on. You need to turn that off. If it's off, that's great. Now let's move on the next step called CPU maximum performance. Just click on the Windows icon and type msconfig, hit enter, then go into the boot tab, then advanced settings, and here you need to check this option. By default it's unchecked. You need to check that option and select the maximum cores for your processor, and that's it. Click OK, apply, and OK. If you don't know your maximum cores, then go into the properties. On the right side, just click on the device manager, and here you need to expand the processor. And just count these cores. These are your cores actually, and you can just select from there. I hope this video helpful for you guys. Now please hit the subscribe button and drop your feedback if you really like this video. Another application I'm just sharing with you called CPU-Z, that will actually help you to understand all your specs, PC specs. You can download it from here. Link is given below in the description. Just go ahead, check it out. It's around 2 MB, and it will show you everything according to your motherboard, your RAM, your processor speed, your cores, and everything. And the installation is very simple. Just click on next, and it will install automatically. After that you need to launch this application, and it will take a few seconds, and then you can see here the CPU. All the details are given below. Just check it out. and do what you want settings in your operating system you can tweak by yourself. I hope you like this video. Hit the subscribe button and share it with friends. If you have any question, just drop your comment. I'll try to solve it for you. Have a good day. Bye bye.